Hi there and welcome to the personal property tour for 3 Hill Street in Strathmiglo. This gorgeous semi-detached cottage boasts spacious interiors as well as a fresh renovation that is to the highest of standards. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and that added element of one level living, it really is a hidden gem in the quiet village of Strathmiglo. So as always, if this is the property for you, click the link below, message me directly, but let's have a look around and see what you think. So starting from the external of the property, lovely brickwork, recently repointed, and a gorgeous composite front door that you will see in a second. Small lane up the side taking you to the large rear garden, which we'll see later in the video, and really is a stunning property. One level living, coming into the front door just here. Absolutely stunning entranceway, lots of light, really high ceilings with it being one level living. So greeted by a lovely entranceway, view right through to the rear garden, which we shall see. You've got this beautiful timber doors throughout, with your frosted glass insert for the hallway area. So space for a shoe rack, hanging, plenty of space as you come into the property. Take your shoes off and enjoy this lovely renovation. So we've got a hive heating system throughout, as you can see just up on the left, through to the kitchenway. So your entrance hallway, large storage cupboard just off to the left hand side. Again, lovely detailed timber doors throughout the property, and really large ceilings, really high ceilings in this property. So you do have an attic space just above. And again, beautiful entranceway. Nice and open plan with these timber doors heading through to the lounge, which we'll see in a minute. Absolutely beautiful. So again, heading through timber doors into your large master bedroom. Plenty of space for tall boys, wardrobe space, etc. Plenty of lighting with the downlights overhead. And that large window to the front of the property, letting lots of natural light through. Got a really large Super King bed in here at the moment, and again plenty of floor space still through the property, and the attention to detail with the paint changing over to the white in the ceiling, just adding extra feeling of space in these bedrooms. So as mentioned, 3 bedrooms. We'll head through to the second bedroom just now. Again, greeted by these beautiful timber doors. So this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but again, plenty of space for a double bed. You have a shoe rack up there. Plenty of space for a tall boy and a double bed. As you can see, desking at the end at the moment, that could easily be exchanged for a large wardrobe and still get a double bed in quite easily. And last but not least, we will head through to the third bedroom, which does have the desired ensuite. So I'll just close this door for a second, just to allow you to see the space in the room. Again, downlights overhead. Plenty of warm lighting throughout the property, nice and cosy. And again, plenty of space for double bed against the wall. Got your overhead reading light already installed. And as the previous owner has done, we've got TV on the wall, giving you plenty of space for a tall boy, etc. And as mentioned, freshly renovated to the highest standards, as I'm sure you'll agree. So your ensuite bathroom does not lack for space. Huge ensuite bathroom with a lovely vanity area. That does have a heated LED mirror as well, and the downlights just overhead. Large overhead shower. The tiles in here are absolutely gorgeous. Again, plenty of space. And a surprisingly large ensuite, and you do have storage space just underneath the vanity space there. Again, absolutely lovely feature of the property. We'll just pause for a minute before we head through to the living space. So as mentioned, extension to the rear, giving you a large living room area. But before we get there, we'll just go into the second WC. Again, lovely tiles, heated LED mirror, beautiful vanity space, and you've got a large bath, as well as a separate shower, overhead shower with your rainfall, or sorry, rain feature, sorry. And again, finished to the highest standards, lovely drawers underneath the vanity area. So moving through to the living room area, again, these lovely timber doors with your glass insert. No corner has been cut when the renovation was done. Move-in condition and ready for a new family to move in. So huge amount of space, 2 large sofas in here in the living room area, plenty of space now for a coffee table, reading stand in the corner, you've got your TV in the corner over here, and these gorgeous patio doors leading out to the garden. Open these on a summer day, let lots of light, lots of heat into the property. And we'll see that large garden area in just a second. Very nicely finished, plenty of space and natural light running through the property. Another feature to add, we've got the USB sockets throughout the property. And again, mentioning those lovely high ceilings. So coming through now, as we mentioned, open plan into the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen dining space. Again, we've got patio doors leading out to the rear garden. We've got a space here for table and chairs, if you did so wish. Into this gorgeous kitchen. So space to the left hand side of me, you can get an American fridge freezer, you've got storage overhead. Plenty of storage in this kitchen. And that gorgeous 8-ring Bush gas cooker with your overhead extractor. Just pause for a second. Lovely under counter spotlights throughout. A gorgeous quartz sink. Again, all freshly renovated. Absolutely stunning. So we'll pause and head out to the rear garden and show you the space there is to offer. So heading into the rear garden, plenty of space, as you would hope. Lovely patioed area for some outdoor furniture throughout, and again, further patio space into the grass. Not directly overlooked. And as mentioned earlier in the video, you've got your gate for access just going down the lane to the front of the property there. Take a walk out onto the central patio and show you back. So you do have a shed in the corner, gardening tools, etc., but again, not directly overlooked, and a really stunning space. So you will get the sun out all day in the rear of this property, and just giving you a look from the back. So again, those lovely rear patio doors giving you full access to your garden, and again, in the kitchen space we do have the open doors as well. Get them open in the summer, get a suntan sitting in your living room. Really, really beautiful home, ready to be the ideal family home. So that concludes the personal property tour for 3 Hill Street in Strathmiglo, and I'm sure you'll agree, a hidden gem of a semi-detached cottage sitting right in the heart of Strathmiglo. Surrounded by local amenities, a short stop over the hill to Perth, or the opposite way just across to Glenrothes, it is the ideal commuter location. Or the quiet cottage situated right in the heart of Strathmiglo, surrounded by local walks, local amenities, some great places to eat, and really is a one to be seen, to be admired. I'm sure you'll agree the renovation is absolutely stunning, and we can't be more excited to bring this one to market. So as always, if this is the property for you, click the link below, message us directly, and we can't wait to hear from you. Craig at 5 Properties TV, take care.